Hey everybody, welcome back to From Funky to Fabulous, and welcome to the very first episode of 2019. I went to Ulta today to get some new products. I ran out of face soap, and I'm always trying to find something that's going to help my skin. As you guys can tell, I have really bad skin, and then I cover it up with makeup, and it irritates my skin even more. So I picked up this pack right here with all kinds of different things for skincare. It was $50, but it is a $91 value at Ulta right now. I got this on sale as well. This is H2O Plus Beauty Oasis Body Wash. This was like $3.50. I got juice infused lip oil. I got some with a pack that they sent me a few months ago, and I ran out. I absolutely love it. The last thing I picked up, I only got because one, it says Bouse on it. I got this because this is gonna be the start to 2019. Today is we're gonna be talking about brows. I got the ColourPop Brow Bouse pencil. I do all kinds of things with my eyebrows. I mainly lately wear pink because I got the Kat Von D pomade that's in pink color, but I'm gonna show you guys today how you can use eyeshadows to do your brows, and actually Ambrosio is going to help me with that. So here in a minute I'll bring him in and I will show you guys how I take care of that. So you don't have to buy a different pomade every time you want to do a new brow. You can just pick up your favorite palette and you can go from there. So we're gonna go ahead and kick that off. I'll be right back with my little guest star helper and we'll get it cracking.
Hello, welcome back to Funky and Fabulous with Bochy on the beat. Today we're gonna show you how to make blue eyebrows with a Jack and Hill Morphe palette.
All right guys, so as Bochy just said, we're gonna be showing you how to do eyebrows with the Jack and Hill Morphe palette. So the first thing that I'm gonna start with is actually the Kat Von D White Out Long Lasting Brow Paste, whatever you wanna call this. We're gonna actually just dip into that. So we're just gonna follow Bochy's normal eyebrows right here. He's got really nicely shaped eyebrows. I'm using kind of a thick brush, so it might be a little bit harder to kind of chisel out the brow, but that's okay.
It's holding that move.
What do you think? You're looking kind of crazy. So now break it out. What are we getting next, Ambrose?
the Jack and Hill Morphe palette.
All right, so we've got just a regular Ulta eyeshadow brush. This one is the C7125 Airbrush Shadow. Some of you guys might be asking, why is she doing a video on eyebrows for the very first video of the year? Well, I asked everybody on Instagram and Snapchat what they wanted to see me do more of, what kind of looks, what kind of things, and the response that I got the most back was eyebrows. I changed the color of my eyebrows, I sometimes change the shape of my eyebrows, I change the arch. There's a lot of things that I do. So I said, you know what, why don't we just go ahead and show everybody how to get the look that they want without buying a million different products. That's what we're doing. Ambrosio, why don't you go ahead and pick a color off the Jack and Hill Morphe palette.
I'm gonna do this one.
That sparkly one right there?
Yeah, I like light blue.
All right, we're gonna use Pool Party for his eyebrows. All right, the regular concept would apply for you if you were doing normal eyebrows. What you would do would be to put your pigment on first, whether it's your brown, whether it's your pomade, so you could change the color, whatever it is, and then you'll fill in your color. And if you're going to look really professional, you're going to want to go ahead and trim it with your concealer later, right after you're done applying your color. We're just gonna take our brush and just very simply apply some eyeshadow. You can use any eyeshadow palette that you have to give yourself just a little more pop when it comes to this. All right, there's one. All right, I'm gonna trim out your eyebrows with a makeup wipe. So I can see where I put the pomade, and I'm just gonna wipe everything else off.
Looks like this one's bigger, like higher up.
This one starts higher up.
Like sparkly blue.
They are sparkly blue.
I like it like that.
All right, guys, so as you can see, it's probably not the most perfect job ever. Just using that pomade and a little bit of eyeshadow. I think it looks pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie to you. Wish I had blue eyebrows now. That's what I'm gonna have to do next. One thing that I was noticing that you could do if you didn't want to run out and buy the Kat Von D Whiteout Brow Pomade, what you could do would be to just use some primer. I think that would work out pretty well because it seems like it had like the same consistency. Plus that palette is really pigmented, so that one worked really well. But if you get a little bit closer, Amber, show them that final effect on there. Really blued out eyebrows. So if anybody ever wants to know how I get the pink, how I get different things going, that is how, but different shapes will come from mine and different arches and things like that. I just didn't want to do too much to this poor guy. Alrighty guys, well thank you again for watching From Funky to Fabulous with our guest star, Bochy on the beat.
And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
Alright guys, appreciate you. Y'all stay fabulous.